Are you looking for the best 3D printers under 500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under 500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kingren KP3S 3D Printer. The Kingren KP3S 3D printer is a DIY FDM fused deposition modeling 3D printer kit designed for high-precision printing. It boasts an upgraded design, offering users an enhanced printing experience. The printer features a user-friendly touchscreen interface, making it easier for users to control and monitor the printing process. With a printing size of 180 by 180 by 180 mm, the KP3S provides a decent build volume for creating various 3D models. One of the key highlights of the Kingren KP3S is its emphasis on precision, ensuring that printed objects are accurate and detailed. The DIY nature of the kit allows users to assemble the 3D printer themselves, providing a hands-on experience and a better understanding of the printer's components. Number 2. EasyThread K9 Mini 3D Printer. The EasyThread K9 Mini 3D Printer is an entry-level 3D printing device designed with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for beginners and as a gift option. This compact 3D printer utilizes fused deposition modeling FDM technology, allowing users to create three-dimensional objects by layering melted filament. The printer is compatible with commonly used filaments such as TPU and PLA, both with a diameter of 1.75 mm. One of the standout features of the EasyThread K9 Mini is its ease of use. The printer is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth and straightforward printing experience for individuals who may be new to 3D printing technology. This makes it an accessible option for those looking to explore the world of 3D printing without the complexity often associated with more advanced models. Number 3. EasyThread K7 Mini 3D Printer. The EasyThread K7 Mini 3D Printer is a user-friendly and entry-level 3D printing device designed for easy use and as a potential gift for enthusiasts or beginners interested in exploring the world of 3D printing. The printer is specifically marketed as a toy gift, indicating its suitability for creative and educational purposes. This compact 3D printer utilizes FDM fused deposition modeling technology and is compatible with both TPU thermoplastic polyurethane and PLA polylactic acid filaments with a diameter of 1.75 mm. FDM technology involves melting and depositing layers of filament to create three-dimensional objects layer by layer. This process is commonly used in entry-level 3D printers due to its simplicity and reliability. Number 4. 2 Trees Blue 3v2i3 3D Printer. The 2 Trees Blue 3v2i3 3D Printer is a state-of-the-art FDM fused deposition modeling 3D printer that offers advanced features for enthusiasts and DIY enthusiasts. This 3D printer is designed to provide high-quality printing capabilities with a focus on user-friendly operation. One notable feature of the 2 Trees Blue 3v2i3 is its ability to print masks, making it particularly relevant in contexts where the production of protective gear is necessary, such as during times of health crises. The DIY kit aspect implies that users have the opportunity to assemble the printer themselves, fostering a sense of customization and hands-on engagement in the 3D printing process. Number 5. Clone Prusa i3 MK3S 3D Printer. The Clone Prusa i3 MK3S Bare Complete DIY 3D Printer is a 3D printing kit that replicates the popular Prusa i3 MK3S model. The Prusa i3 MK3S is renowned for its reliability, ease of use, and high-quality prints, making it a popular choice among 3D printing enthusiasts. This clone kit attempts to recreate the functionality and features of the original Prusa i3 MK3S while offering a more affordable alternative. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete DIY assembly, featuring an aluminum alloy profile frame for stability and durability. The use of magnetic components simplifies the assembly process and allows for easy maintenance. Additionally, the kit comes with a Meanwell MW power supply unit, known for its reliability and safety features, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to the printer.